Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. So before starting my lesson, I would like to give a brief recap of my previous lesson. In my previous lesson, we have discussed some important landscapes of our beloved country of Pakistan. We have discussed that Alhamdulillah, Pakistan has blessed with such amazing locations that is very much suitable for the trade especially. We have the deserts, mountains, valleys, ocean, sea, and a long coastal area that is stretched from the Makran coastal line to Balochistan. Then we have discussed the northern areas that is if you move towards the north, you will have the beautiful orchards and you have the snow-capped mountains, just like in Sawat, Hunza, Fairy Meadows, etc. We have the fast-flowing rivers. We have the five rivers of Pakistan: Satluj, Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, and Ravi. Then we have discussed that Pakistan has the history too. Pakistan has an old culture and the new culture too. In the old culture, we can find a lot of the historical places, just like the Lahore Fort, Badshahi Mosque, Shalamar Bagh, in your city, Taxila, etc., etc. On the other side, we have the new cities, we have the new buildings, and the modern and urbanized cities as well. If you have ever visited the Islamabad or the Karachi, you can find a lot of the new places, just like the Centaurus Fall and Karachi. There are very high stories buildings there. In Lahore, we can also find the beautiful and high story buildings too. Then we discuss the CPEC China Pakistan Economic Corridor, that it is a very fine example of how Pakistan playing an important role in promoting the international trade. This is the project between China and Pakistan, with the help of which they both can do import and export to support their economy. Now we will start our today's lesson with the Gilgit Baltistan. So before the Gilgit Baltistan became our fifth province, Pakistan had basic four provinces: Punjab, Sindh, KPK, and Balochistan. But as the people of Gilgit Baltistan demanded to the government of Pakistan to be the residing in the fifth province, so from that time Gilgit Baltistan is the fifth province of Pakistan. Gilgit and Hunza. Let me. Gilgit and Hunza are in the beautiful mountainous areas to the very north of Pakistan. It is the home to K2, the second highest mountain peak of the world. If you have ever been a chance to visit the Gilgit and the Hunza, they are beautiful, amazing places, and these are the places where we can find the K2. As you know, that K2 is the highest peak of Pakistan, and it is the second highest mountain of all the world after the Mount Everest. The Baltej Fort in the Hunza Valley dates back to 8th Christ. So ये 8th century की जो है हुंजा में we have the valley date. वहाँ पे Baltej Fort है. It's very famous. People in this region speak many different languages, including Shina, Barushaki, Balti, Puwar, Wakhi, Gujari, and Ladakhi, and Bamaki. So you can see there are a lot of variation in their languages. Did you know Pakistan has the population of over 207 millions according to the 2017 census? As you know that हमारे पाकिस्तान में हर 5 साल के बाद census यानी मर्दमशुमारी होती है, in which the government usually estimate how many people are now living in the country, how many newborns are there, how many people have died. So that figures are usually the actual figure that how many persons are residing in our country. So, as per the census of the 2017, Pakistan has now the population of 207 millions. Now we will discuss some important cities of Pakistan. Karachi is the largest, followed by Lahore, Faisalabad, Rawalpindi, Hyderabad, Multan, and Gujranwala. As you know, the Karachi is the largest city of Pakistan. Karachi has the highest economy. एक जमाना था जब कहा जाता था कि कराची में आपके पास maximum job opportunities हैं. कराची में रहने वाला बंदा जो है कभी भूखा नहीं मरता. Karachi is also known as a city of the lights. रोशनी को शहर कहा जाता है जी. And there are other beautiful cities for including Lahore, Faisalabad, Rawalpindi, Hyderabad, Multan, and Gujranwala. Quetta and Islamabad are the smaller cities. This map shows some of the cities and give you some information about them. As you can see in this map, you can find the Multan here. This is the Punjab basically. So in Punjab, you can find Multan, Faisalabad, हमारा जिंदा दिलाने लाहौर जी, Gujranwala, Sargodha, Sialkot, Rawalpindi, Islamabad. Now, it is the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, you can find Peshawar, Balochistan, you can find Quetta. This is our Srinagar, occupied Kashmir, Makhouza, Jammu Kashmir. This is our Gilgit Baltistan, Gilgit and Skardu. First of all, we will discuss about the capital of Pakistan, Islamabad. So, recently, um, I found the post on the Instagram that Islamabad is ranked the second highest, most beautiful capital of the world. It is very good news for all of us कि पाकिस्तान का जो कैपिटल है इस्लामाबाद वो दुनिया के खूबसूरत तरीन कैपिटल में दूसरे नंबर पर आता है. नंबर 1 पे भी हैव द लंदन और पेरिस और बुर्ज वगैरह जो है वो हमारे बाद आते हैं. दिस इज अमेजिंग. वैसे इस्लामाबाद इज ब्यूटीफुल एंड अ वेरी पीसफुल सिटी. बड़ा खामोश शहर है, बड़ा अमन सुकून वाला शहर है. Islamabad became the capital of Pakistan in 1959. Before then, Karachi was the capital. It is the new city designed by the world famous planners and architects located at the base of Margala Hills. The city Okay, Ji. When Pakistan came into being, so Karachi was the first capital of Pakistan back in 1947. But when the time passes and Ayub Khan became our president, so Ayub Khan was a person who developed the city of Islamabad. Ayub Khan was a person who said that Islamabad will be the capital of Pakistan back in 1959. ये जितना भी शहर आज आप इस्लामाबाद का देख सकते हैं, these all were the mountains. But Ayub Khan was a president जिसने इसको पहाड़ों को तराश खराश करके और आज जो शहर यू कैन फाइंड देयर वो सब इसी की वजह से है. ओके, so you can find the beautiful Margala Hills there. Margala Hills का जिक्र पहले कुछ जमाने में एक वो जलजला भी आया था, बड़ा फेमस है. बट Munal restaurant, most Pakistani have been visited there. So if you have ever chance to visit the Munal, don't miss it. They are beautiful. They are located in the Pir Suhava and the beautiful places of the Islamabad included the Chhatrapadiya, Pir Suhava, etc. The city is divided into residential, business, recreational, industrial, government, and diplomatic sections, all linked with flowering shady trees, and there are many beautiful parks and gardens. And this is a very beautiful city. You can find a lot of greenery there. Plus, there are a lot of the head offices of various organization can also be found there, as it is our capital. So you know that all the government officers also residing, including the president house and the prime minister house, is also found there. And the beautiful Faisal Mosque, Faisal Masjid, जो जी हमने Shah Faisal was a king of. It is named after the Shah Faisal, who was the king of the Saudi Arabia. क्योंकि ये Saudi Arabia के लोगों से बनवाई गई थी. That's why it is named after the king Saudi Arabia. प्लस वहाँ पर अगर आप देखें तो बहुत सारे खूबसूरत मॉडर्न बिल्डिंग्स भी हैं. जस्ट लाइक वहाँ पे यूफोन का ऑफिस, उसकी बड़ी वर्टिकल बिल्डिंग, खूबसूरत बड़ी बिल्डिंग है. प्लस वी हैव अ सेंटोरस. सेंटोरस इज द लार्जेस्ट मॉल इन पाकिस्तान अप टिल नाउ. एंड सेंटोरस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल structure. It's amazing. It's a seat of the government, so all important government institutions and all foreign embassies are located there. Some of the well-known buildings are Supreme Court. Supreme Court, as you know, that is the largest court of any country. So Supreme Court of Pakistan is located in the capital of Pakistan, named Islamabad. The Pakistan Monument, Presidency, Secretariat, the Quaid-e-Azam University, the National Assembly. Damneko. Damneko is basically a beautiful place in Islamabad from where you can see all इस्लामाबाद. आपको पूरा शहर वहां पे खड़े होकर नजर आता है. The Shah Faisal Mosque, the Rawal Lake, are Rose. and a Jasmine Garden. The Lok Birsa Heritage Museum and a shrine of Bari Imam. Bari Imam का मज़ार भी बड़ा famous है वहाँ पे. Next city we will discuss जी रोशनियों का शहर कराची. In 1947, Karachi was the capital of Pakistan. At one time, it was a small fishing village. Later, the village came to be known as Karachi and grew into a big, bustling city, squeezed between the Arabian Sea and the desert. Okay, Karachi is basically the largest city of the Pakistan, and in 1947, when Pakistan came into being. So Karachi was the first capital of Pakistan. Karachi was very small kind of village initially, but later on, due to the progress and urbanization, and as the businesses and factories were developed, so today's Karachi is now a big city. And as you know, that Karachi is located at the coastal line of Arabian Sea, and on the one side you can find the desert. तो कराची बड़े मजे की जगह है कि एक जगह पे आपको एक किनारे पे समंदर नजर आ रहा होता है दूसरी तरफ डेजर्ट आपको मिलता है इट इज द मेन पोर्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द नेचुरल हार्बर एट किमारी in the 19th century the british ruled sindh they moved the capital from the hyderabad to karachi streets were built and highways railways and buildings were constructed ये हमारा बड़ा नेचुरल हार्बर है बिकॉज अरेबियन सी की वजह से ये पोर्ट है यहाँ पे हमारा और बहुत सारा ट्रेड इसकी वजह से होता है समंदर के जरिए जितनी भी चीजें आती हैं दूसरे ममालिक से उन सब का जो ट्रेड है वो ऑब्वियसली कराची के थ्रू होता है बैक इन 19th century when the British ruled the Sindh when it was the era of the British so they moved the capital from Hyderabad to Karachi चूंकि उन्होंने नवाबों से लिया था तो नवाबों के जमाने में आई रिमेम्बर बिफोर द ब्रिटिश हैदराबाद कैपिटल हुआ करता था so when they came into being, so they moved the capital from the Hyderabad to Karachi and जो आज हमारी रेलवे लाइन हम यूज कर रहे हैं वो still Britishers के जमाने से बनी हुई है. A lot of streets and the buildings and the highways and the railways was constructed in the time of the British. Karachi is a modern city with hotels, banks, cinemas, shops, wide boulevards, and a new international airport named after Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Jinnah International Airport is the largest in Pakistan. So nowadays, Karachi is very modernized city. बहुत आबादी है कराची की और देयर आर लॉट ऑफ होटल्स बैंक सिनेमा शॉप्स और बड़ी वहाँ बिफोर द पैंडेमिक कराची कभी रात को भी अगर आप जाएं तो कभी भी बंद नहीं होता इट्स ऑलवेज फिल्ड विद द पीपल एंड द मॉल्स वहाँ पे और ऑलवेज रशी एंड इसीलिए इसको रोशनियों का शहर कहा जाता है क्योंकि कहते हैं कि ये कभी सोता नहीं है जिना इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट इज द लार्जेस्ट इन पाकिस्तान. Okay, so you can find in this picture, this is the Quaid-e-Azam mausoleum. Quaid-e-Azam का मज़ार है because Quaid-e-Azam as you know हमारे बाबाए कौम है तो इस वजह से जी उनका मज़ार यहाँ पे है. Karachi continues to be an industrial state. There are two large industrial states, Sindh Industrial and Trading Site SITE and Korangi Industrial Area. So as you can see from the passage that is quite industrial area. It is also financial and business capital and has the largest stock exchange in the country. So जो आपकी कराची stock exchange है वो आपकी largest stock exchange है मुल्क की क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा बिजनेस ऑब्वियसली कराची में ही होता है. सम ऑफ द वेल नोन बिल्डिंग्स आर फेयर हॉल बाग जिना जिसको हम कहते हैं द हाई कोर्ट द म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन बिल्डिंग द कॉटन एक्सचेंज द गवर्नर हाउस द सिंध क्लब कराची जिमखाना स्टू एंड चर्च सेंट पैट्रिक कैथेड्रल एंड जहांगीर कोठारी परेड. Visitors can see the Quaid-e-Azam's mausoleum, the National Museum, Maritime Museum, many fine mosques, amusement parks, the beaches at Clifton, Sandspit, Hawksbury, Paradise Point, and Bagh Ibn Qasim. So these are the very famous buildings of Karachi. If you have any query regarding this video, so please feel free to ask in inbox. I'll be sharing the classwork in a while after this video. So thank you everyone.